Let's talk about those tiny black dots on your nose that never seem to go away. Yep, blackheads. They are one of the most common skincare concerns, but also one of the most misunderstood. A lot of people think that blackheads are dirt trapped in your skin or under your skin. A lot of people think that blackheads are just, someone that is dirty or doesn't take care of their skin, but no, that's not actually true. And the worst part is, many of the ways people try to remove blackheads from their skin, they are doing more harm than good. Trust me. All of those ways that you've been seeing that people try to extract blackheads from their skin, it's a no-no. So today, I am going to break it all down for you. I'm going to tell you what are blackheads, what happens when you have blackheads, how do you really treat blackheads, what are the mistakes you've been making that make blackheads worse. So I'm going to tell you everything, the mistakes to avoid, and of course is the best treatment. I'm going to give you the best way to manage blackheads and the best way to treat blackheads. I'm going to give you skincare tips for a clearer pores. Of course, that is why we're here. Okay, so let's go straight into today's video. Let's start with blackheads now, okay? These are a type of acne called open comedons, okay? Note that blackheads are acne. They are actually acne, okay? They are they are a form of acne that are called comedons. They form when your pores get clogged with oil and dead skin cells, unlike whiteheads. I don't know if you know what whiteheads are. If you don't, I may make another video for you. So the pore stays open and exposed to air. When it oxidizes, it turns into, it turns dark, okay? And that's why it looks black. So no, I'm sure you think that it is dirt that is in the skin. No, it is not dirt that is under your skin. It is simply oxidized oil and skin cells. Do you understand? Because the pores are open. So when air enters, it becomes black. That's the important thing to understand before you even start to treat blackheads. Do you understand? Because knowing what they are, knowing what they are before you even deal with it is the first step to treatment. And that is the right way to do it. Now, why do you have blackheads? Why are blackheads on your skin or your face? Why? I'm sure you don't even know the reason. So I'm going to give you the reasons why you have blackheads now. Number one reason is what? Excess oil production. Yes, you are prone to excess oil. Your skin produces excess oil naturally, okay? Naturally. Your skin produces oil, a lot of sebum, so your pores are more likely to get clogged. If your skin is producing too much oil than necessary, your pores will get clogged. Number two is not removing makeup or sunscreen properly. You don't even double cleanse. You don't do anything. You just, just wash your face without a proper cleanser, and you think, no. Number three is dead skin cells build up on your face. When your skin isn't exfoliated enough, those cells mix with oil and plug your pores. You see that why I emphasize on exfoliation, right? If you're prone to oil or you have oily skin, you must exfoliate. Number four reason why you always have blackhead is lifestyle factors. Things like touching your face, you're always using heavy skincare, oily skincare. What about hair products? What about hormonal changes? There are a lot of reasons why you have blackheads, and these are some of the reasons why I gave you. Now let's move to the mistakes. What are the mistakes that you're making that are making your blackheads worse? Number one is what? Squeezing them. I know it's tempting, but squeezing them can damage your skin. It can enlarge your pores and even cause scarring. Before you know, you have scar. Before you know, I'm guilty of this too, but touching them regularly is a no-no. Number two mistake you're making is what? Pore strip. You see all those pore strip they sell to you that you buy? They give instant satisfaction, but they only remove the surface layer. And you know, this thing often irritates the skin, making blackheads come back even faster and worse than how it was before. So stop using all these strips. You think that, oh, you strip, they are not solving the issue. Number 3 is what? Over scrubbing. Oh, a lot of you are sitting on this table. Harsh scrubs don't actually remove the clog inside your pores. So, but do you know what they do? They can irritate your pores and inflame the skin barrier. So stop using harsh scrubs. Use chemical exfoliants if you can. The number 4 mistake you're making is using oily or comedogenic products. If your skincare is, too oily, or your makeup is too heavy, you are feeding the problem instead. Instead of fixing it, you're feeding the problems. If you like makeup like me, ensure that you double cleanse. Okay, so now let's move on to the solutions. Now you have known the reason why you have blackheads. Now you know the mistake you're moving. Let's move on to the solution. Number 1 solution is what? Use salicylic acid. This is the holy grail for blackheads. It is oil soluble. It penetrates deep into your pores and it dissolves the oil and dead skin clogging them. Do you understand? Salicylic acid should be your best friend if you have oily skin or you have acne prone skin. Do you understand me? I've said it over and over again. Now, the next ingredient you should use is what? Retinoids. Why? Because the speed of cell turnover, which helps to prevent your pores from getting clogged in the first place. Do you understand? Use retinoids. The next thing you should do is what? Use clay mask, because they help draw out the excess oil and impurities from your skin, which can reduce blackheads over time. Yes, clay mask. This is something that I know that a lot of you don't even use. That is why I'm bringing it here. Use clay mask. Instead of that strip you're doing, buy clay mask. Number 4 solution is what? Proper cleansing. Yes, use gentle cleansers. Cleanse in the morning and cleanse in the night. Do you understand? With a gentle cleanser, not harsh ones. Number 5 is what? Double cleansing at night. Use oil-based double cleansers first. Use oil-based cleanser first before you use any other cleanser. So this is the full breakdown of blackheads. I thought to educate you now. Now, what are they? You already know what they are. You already know what causes them. You already know the mistakes to avoid. That's why I took my time to explain all these things to you. And the best skincare tips to use and how to treat them. So if you found this video helpful, please comment below and tell me what's the most stubborn area where you get blackheads. Is it your nose? Is it your chin? Is it your forehead? I'd love to know. I would really love to know. For me, I don't really get blackheads. Okay, I'm not acne prone. But sometimes I always pinch, I always touch. Alright. Anyways, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more skincare content, and share this with someone who's struggling with blackheads too. Clear skin is a journey, and you don't have to go through it alone. That's why we are here. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I remain your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Jennifer Chris. I'm going to see you in my next video. So stay glowing.